So how can you make a document of photos in Android? Let me show you how you can make it work. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you essentially want to turn a couple of photos into a PDF guide or into a PDF format, right? So you have more ways to technically make it work. You can open up your gallery like that and hold down on a couple of images which you want to put it together or combine. Then what you have the ability to do is to tap on a create, and you can turn it into a collage, like you put it together into one image in case at first you want to combine it into one. But you can as well click on the share tool and explore the available options. And based on the apps which you have downloaded, in my case I have the PDF editor which is called PDF Gear. It's freely available on the Play Store. I have that app downloaded, so I can use it to open it up like this, and I can convert those selected images into a PDF format. So when I click on this, it's going to pull up the app. You can see it turns it into a 4 pages PDF. I can continue, and I'm going to end up with a file like this. So it really comes down to what you needed this for, but as you could see, I was able to turn a couple of photos from my gallery into a 4-paged PDF. As I've shown you at the beginning, you can also create a collage like that, so you can put more photos together into one image or one page and turn that thing into a PDF. So it kind of depends on what you need. That's how it works. Outside of that, you can as well use a basic PDF converter, like you upload a PNG or JPEG image to a website which converts it to PDF. But I don't personally like that option too much because it's like, you know, using online converters, and yeah, I like to do it on my device, but that's up to you. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. I really hope I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.